Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, reading natin to for Virgo career reading, no? Take only what resonates. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa channel, hit na lang ang subscribe button, notification bell. And kung gusto mo, pwede ka magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Okay? Pa-comment na lang sa baba. Kahit po heart-heart lang kasi malaking bagay yun sa akin. Anyway, this is for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos, Virgo reading for career. Ano ang naghihintay sa mga Virgos pagdating sa kanilang mga career for this month of May 2024. Career rating. Okay, let's start. Check mo yung natal chart mo, ha. Mga naghihintay sa Virgo pagdating sa kanilang mga career. You do have where it's a match. Ayan. Justice card and 3 of Wands. Okay. 3 of Cups. Okay. King of Wands. The Fool. I'm seeing a person here. Might be a friend. With the 3 of Cups. Ayan. And, itong person na to might be someone na business-minded or magaling siya pagdating sa negosyo. Or this could be you na magaling sa negosyo. I don't know, but I can see with the Justice card, pwedeng may sabihin sa'yo tong taong to. And, gusto niya kasi ng growth. And nakikita niya na ikaw ay isa sa mga katulong or isa sa, you know, with the, it's a match. It's some kind of partnership na pwedeng itong taong ito gusto niyang gawain sa'yo. Gusto niya ng partnership, gusto niya ng you know, relationship sa inyo. Of course, na may kinalaman sa career or business. The Fool is here. Yan. So, might be nag-i-start up or pag-i-start up ang gustong mangyari nito person na ito. Na gusto niya ng collaboration. Gusto niya ng new beginning. And with the 3 of Wands, there's a lot of passion. Baga talagang itutuloy niya to eh. Ikaw nga lang yung nakita niya na pwedeng magmamatch kayo na pagdating sa pag-iisip, pagdating sa negosyo. And, tell me about this. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, guys, huwag mong kunin yung message. Check mo na lang yung ibang video kasi maaaring may nangangailangan ng message nito or may makaka-relate sa message nito. Anyway, never mind my voice. Medyo garalgal ako ngayon magsalita kasi medyo namamalat po ako. You do have your Temperance, 7 of Cups, 2 of Pentacles, ayan. Five of Cups. Okay. 4 of Swords. The Magician. Death card and the Judgment. Sorry about that. Pagpasensya mo na ilangaw na lumilipad, ha. And unfortunately, nakapasok siya dito sa room kung saan ako nagre-reading. Ayan. Anyway, The Eight of Wands is here at the bottom of the deck. Marami siyang ideas eh. With the Seven of Cups. With the Temperance, I feel like hindi naman siya nagmamadali. But with the Two of Pentacles, pwedeng pina-priority niya to. Hindi lahat approve sa gusto niyang mangyari. Like, I can see person or people na pwedeng nakikitang mali yung plano niya, mali yung nasa isip niya. The Five of Cups is here, so medyo nakikita lang natin na pwedeng ang nakakapagpalungkot dito sa person na ito, yung wala siyang magawa sa something na maybe dito sa new beginning na ito, pwedeng hindi niya masimulan, you know. And on the other hand, ikaw naman, sa totoo lang, parang wala ka rin pakialam or okay lang kung i-pursue niya ito, i-push niya ito or what. And, you know, you are the kind of person na nakikita natin madali kang ma-attach emotionally. You know, lalo na pagdating sa career. Once na na-attach ka dun sa tao, to the point na parang kinakaya ka na, ganon. Or sila na yung mas nasusunod kasi emotionally parang nahihiya ka na sa kanila, ganon, ganyan. Or mas tinetreasure mo na yung pagkakaibigan ninyo. Or whatever, di ba? Parang ganon ka eh. Parang sige na lang, parang ganyan. And so, pagdating dito sa bagay nito, hindi ka nagmamadali or hinahayaan mo lang kung ma-push itong new beginning nito. Sige, mapupush. Pero kung hindi, hindi. The Death card is here, so I don't know, yung iba sa inyo meron ka rin mga new beginnings na possible na pagdaanan or pagdadaanan. And isa ka din doon sa hindi nagmamadali regarding sa new beginnings na yan. The Judgment is here. You are actually very mature. Tsaka sa tagal mo lang, kumbaga sa dami mo ng pinagdaanan, ito bang mga ganito-ganito, parang simple na lang sa'yo to. And with the Magician, you want to develop your skills, your knowledge, you know. If you are the one na nag-entertain ng tao, if your work or career has something to do with entertainment, I feel like you need to take care of yourself then. Huwag kang, for example, no, you are a singer or lagi ka nagsasalita sa mga tao, no? Like what I am doing right now, no? Ganito, pakikipag-usap sa salita. Kailangan mong alagaan yung boses mo, yung sarili mo, no? Huwag ka uminom ng masyadong malamig or ng mga bawal sa'yo. Like, take care of your voice kasi puhunan mo yan eh. Ayan. And kung may mga alam mong bisyo ka, tanggalin mo yon because it's not healthy for you. But anyway, nakikita natin na nagbo-boom ka naman talaga pagdating sa entertainment. For some of you na ang career has something to do with entertaining people. Also, you need to take care of, you know, you need to rest. Magpahinga. No, yung iba wala nang tulog halos, no? And, ayan. Yung support ng family is nasa iyo. So, I like this. Anyway, what is the advice pagdating sa mga Virgo sa kanilang career? What is the advice here? You do have here the Hanged Man. Four of Pentacles. Knight of Wands. Six of Wands. And Knight of Pentacles. At the bottom of the deck, there's this Five of Wands. Ayan. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Actually, ang advice sa'yo is maghintay. Huwag ka magmadali. And some of you, yun nga, mag-concentrate ka muna sa health mo. With the Six of Wands, wow. Actually, pagdating talaga sa entertainment, maganda yung sinasabi sa'yo. So, if your career has something to do with entertainment, be more creative, be funny, you know, if you're, of course, kung malakas naman ang sense of humor mo, kung ano ka naman, kumbaga, komedyante, sabihin na natin yan, use that, kung may tago. Yung iba kasi sa inyo, it's like, pwedeng, iniano mo na yan, sinasantabi mo na yan because, you know, you feel like you're being immature, parang hindi ako nire-respeto or mawawala respeto sa akin ng tao. Tsaka, yung iba, ang hirap naman kasi talaga magpatawa. But anyway, if that's your, you know, inborn ka ng meron nun, so wag mo siyang itago. Use that. And I can see na hindi lang siya ngayon magbe-benefit sa'yo, but rather in a future or sa mga susunod na taon, no, time will come, you will be known, you will be, you know, makikilala, you will be respected. No, hindi naman porke komedyante parang mababatingin ng iba dahil, you know, or pwedeng bastusin, etc. Hindi. You are doing it with class. So, definitely, may respeto kang tatanggap sa iba. And, of course, take only what resonates, guys, ha. Knight of Pentacles, I can see money for those who wants to travel. So, if you are thinking about traveling, may pera tayo nakikita dyan. And high chance of pagta-travel din. Okay? Ikaw yung in charge. Dito, ikaw yung masusunod. Regarding some kind of partnership, I feel like as long na it is hindi masama, hindi mali, hindi hinahaluan ng against the, you know, yung yung bawal sa batas. So, if this has something to do with business, yung as long na ito ay legal. And also at the same time, if you really want this, pag-ipunan mo. If you are going to invest in some kind of partnership, in some kind of business, dapat yung pera inipon or pinag-ipunan, hindi yung uutangin. And that's the advice for you. Kasi pwedeng, of course, there's happiness, there's adventure, there's, you know, magiging maganda yung result. Pero, hindi siya agad-agad. So, it would take time. So, kung ito ay perang hiniram, inutang, hindi siya magbabalik agad. So, okay naman yung partnership, sabi ko nga. But, you know, the money should be hindi minadali, hindi inutang, hindi pera ng iba. Dapat pera mo. Yun yung pinaka-advice lang. So, what is the challenge for the sign of Virgo pagdating sa kanilang career? Challenge. I can hear the word transformation. So, maraming transformation is May for you. You do have here the moon and the star. Yan. Wow. Wheel of Fortune. Wow. Tatlong major arcana, guys. Ang challenge sa'yo is I feel like yung malaking pagbabago, yan, lalo na ang naririnig ko nga is the word transformation. So, yung malaking pagbabago medyo challenging para ito sa iyo ito. I feel like you do have a target, pero parang nawala ka sa focus eh. Ganon. Maybe you do have a goal, pero nawawala ka dun sa goal mo na yun eh. So, you need to focus on that. With the moon, challenge sa'yo is you should be using your lakas ng pakiramdam. With the moon, I do feel like ramdam mo sa mga tao, yung mga nagsisikreto sa'yo, hindi nagsasabi ng tama sa'yo or totoo sa'yo. But sabi ko nga sa'yo, you are affected by your emotions pagdating sa career. So, challenge sa'yo yon. Kasi might be, nararamdaman mo na parang hindi mo dapat tanggapin or hindi mo dapat paniwalaan itong taong ito. But, because sa isipan mo or sa puso mo, kaibigan mo siya, kilala mo siya, ganto ganyan. So, nauuna yon na kaysa dun sa pakiramdam mo na parang ayokong tanggapin to, parang hindi ito mag-o-okay, etc. So, ayun. Yun yung challenge sa'yo. And with the star, it's like challenge sa'yo pag na-achieve mo yung mga pangarap mo or you are the, ikaw yung nasa spotlight. Marami nakatingin sa'yo, medyo challenging. Especially pagdating sa business. Challenging yon kasi pag lumalakas ka, pag nakikita ng iba, napapansin nila yung mga pagbabago or yung mga ginagawa mo, yung pagbo-boom mo, etc. Medyo challenge sa yon kasi marami ang evil eyes, marami naiinggit. Okay? So, if you do have a business, this is the right time na magpapansin. Kasi, the more na marami naiinggit, ibig sabihin, umaangat ka talaga. 'Di ba? Ganun naman talaga yun. Kasama naman talaga yun. So, hayaan mo lang. Pansinin ka na lang nila. Tignan ka na lang nila, etc. Hanggang tingin lang naman sila. Anyway, you do have here the Ace of Swords. One of Swords. Ayan, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Whatever is in your mind right now. Habang nakikinig ka dito sa video na ito, kung ano nasa isip mo na gusto mo simulan, the Four of Wands, it will give you stability. Magbibigay ito ng stability sa'yo. Okay? Gawin mo, simulan mo. Queen of Swords, tanggalin mo muna yung mga dapat tanggalin. After nito, it's good to, it's good to go. Pwede nang simulan, pwede nang i-push, magiging maganda na yung flow. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.